Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. I just got dressed and ready. We're gonna go grab some coffee. It's 60 degrees out and it's sunny. It's like really casual today. I just have on some Urban Outfitter jeans, a little crop from Brandy. I think this jacket's from Brandy too. And I'm just gonna throw on like my Air Force Ones and head out. Hi, you and your nice coffee.
What?
And your nice coffee.
It's hot coffee, it's not iced coffee.
I said nice. Okay. Guys, we got a coffee cake, a muffin, and it looks so good. Amazing. Also, the coffee I got, it's like, what was the coffee I got? What was the coffee I got? I can't remember. It's like, the coffee I got's like honey and cinnamon, and it's so bomb. I'm obsessed. We're getting groceries right now, and I got the prettiest flowers in the car, and I'm so excited about it. We just got done at Whole Foods and we're on our way home right now. It is really sunny. But we saw they had a little Milo sweet tea, like a little tiny one, so we decided to get it, and it's really good. I'm excited about it.
Oh yeah, it's my favorite tea.
Oh yeah?
Love it.
Loves it. So we're gonna make a little quick home goods stop real quick and then head home. I really need to do a workout tonight. I didn't do one the past 2 days, and I'm trying to do this 2-week challenge, and so far I failed, so that's that. So we just got done having our coffee and we came to Hewitt's. It's like a little like garden outdoorsy kind of place. We're looking for some plants and I'm really excited. It's super warm out, it's sunny, and yeah, we're just gonna go and look for some plants. This is so pretty. It looks like I'm in the jungle.
In the wild, get some planetary dews.
Okay guys, we just got back. I got some plants. They're just two little like smaller ones, and we got a little pot. I think we're gonna put this one in. They're so cute and I'm obsessed, and I need to find a spot for them right now. So yeah, we might go grab a bite to eat or something, but I need a Starbucks so bad. A peach green tea lemonade sounds phenomenal right now, so I think that's what I'm gonna go and get. I'm just about to put on some music and then head out. Drake and Josh theme song? Yeah, I think so. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay guys, I'm with Emily. I just got a peach green tea lemonade, and she got, what did you get?
It's the new oat milk
Something?
espresso iced brown sugar.
That's it.
Something like that.
That's it. And all the sugar kind of sank to the bottom, sadly. And then I also got a butter croissant, and I'm gonna make Emily eat half of it. So that's that.
I don't have to make
I don't have to make them. And then we're gonna go shopping. We want to get like all new spring clothes. Kind of dangerous when you put us together at the mall, you know? It really is.
It's bad.
Okay, bye. I I am so excited. My friend Kayla and Bria, they're both in town this week and I'm meeting them today. We're about to go and get coffee, so I'm just waiting for them to get here, but I haven't seen them in literally like almost a year. I'm so freaking pumped about this. So yeah, I'll just be like vlogging for today. I'm so annoyed. I ordered some like pants from ASOS and they like came in 2 separate like packages for some reason, and one yesterday it said one was delivered, and I've checked everywhere. I cannot find it. It is nowhere to be found. And then the other ones came in today, but I wanted the other ones to wear today, so I'm kind of sad about that. So hopefully no one like stole my package or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna text them real quick, see where they are, and then go meet them for coffee. Guys, I'm with Bria and Kayla, and they're in town.
We had chocolate cake to show.
I know.
Oh my god. Okay, wait. Say what you guys had.
This is a cold ripple milk because I get this everywhere I go.
Delish.
Immaculate.
It's like coffee brewed with cacao and oat milk.
I got the same thing. It was called Mental Brew. We need that.
We might get some dessert.
Maybe go out for drinks.
Yes.
Who knows?
We're happy to be here.
I'm so excited. I love you guys. I want them to move here right now. Okay, we'll see you later. The vlog cheers first. Guys, we got drinks. They look so good. It's good?
This is the best. This is
Just like
no, this is good.
I'm about to try it.
Here's to
Okay.
relaxation.
Cheers to no more lashing.
No more mood.
Yeah! Love! Woo! Yeah!
Actually off their phone and actually talking.
Good. No one should be on their phone at dinner.
What do you mean? Look at this. Look at this. I don't order soup. I don't order soup. What's this? Floating meat.
Oh wow! Why are we so zoomed in?
I need multiple shots.
We need more drinks. More drinks.
Absolutely. Now he gonna say I tried to kill him.
I'll go my neck.
Amazing. 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Oh wow. Wow. Oh wow. This looks amazing.
But never satisfied. Yeah. Keep my feelings on the side. Getting high until I'm gone. But now I'm scared of heights.
Okay, I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but we came and we got drinks. We're getting drinks, if you can hear me. It's so loud! It's so loud! Guys, Jasmine made the cutest breakfast while I'm over here snoozing my life away.
We got eggs.
Look at this, how cute. Good morning, guys. It is, today's Sunday?
Yeah.
Sunday. We're taking a little drive. It's so nice out today. We had breakfast. It was so good. Jasmine's a great cook, a great host.
You know, it's just that like
You know.
Pillsbury, just throw it in the oven.
It was
type
10 out of
thing.
10. But it is such a nice day, so we decided to go on like a little drive, and the sun is out and it's beautiful. I'm so happy. We're having the best time, so. Okay guys, so I am now back home and I'm just about to catch up on The Bachelor. Got sushi for dinner, stopped off at Whole Foods. We ate at this restaurant today and it was so good. I didn't vlog there, but it was just super nice out, kind of sat in the sun. And the restaurant, their like mascot is a Rottweiler and I'm obsessed with the Rottweiler, so I had to go. But I just got an avocado cucumber roll. And obviously, Bo got regular sushi, but that's what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. And the sun is still out. I don't know if you can tell, but It's still sunny outside. It's almost 7 o'clock, so it's really cute. Love that.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.